Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your Dyson V7 is unplugged and completely powered off. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button to detach the battery from the main body. If you encounter any resistance, gently wiggle the battery while pressing the button to release it. Once the battery is removed, take a moment to clean the battery compartment with a soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate here, affecting the performance of your new battery. A clean environment is essential for optimal operation. Now let's prepare to install the new battery. Align the new battery with the connectors in the compartment. Ensure that the battery is oriented correctly. The connectors should match up perfectly. If you're unsure about the compatibility of the battery, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you choose the right one. With the battery in place, press firmly until you hear a click, indicating that it is securely attached. Next, we will need to secure the battery with screws. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, locate the two screws that hold the battery in place. Carefully insert the screws and tighten them, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the battery or the vacuum. After securing the battery, it's a good idea to check the internal components of your Dyson V7. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the casing if necessary. Inspect for any dust buildup or blockages that could hinder performance. A clean vacuum is a happy vacuum. If you find any issues, or if this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Our service is designed for your convenience, with no calls and no travel required. Once you've completed your inspection and cleaning, reassemble the casing by aligning it properly and pressing it back into place until it clicks. Finally, plug in your Dyson V7 and allow it to charge fully before using it again. This will ensure that the new battery is properly calibrated. Before you start using your vacuum, it's wise to check the battery status indicator. If everything looks good, you're ready to enjoy the powerful suction of your Dyson V7 once more. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We're here to help you keep your appliance in top condition. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.